Pleasant good morning. Oh no do. You see myself? Yeah. The other day me hear when I say what a way I'm slimming down and looking fine as fuck. Alright? Right! So y'all wanna know, blood, what is going on here with my weight? Yes? Yeah, me I drink blood eat nice. People, talk to me nice. Whoa! Me I tell you say I lose 20 something. What about me? I don't remember. What I want. Me that 190 pound. No, me that 173. So as you can see, I only for pound that. Yeah? Drop off a couple of weight before that. Because I decide. Forget about my summer body. One thing me I work on now. You see that little hip situation there, so kind of look like me that girl me that broad from right there, so. Cause it look like me that have all the them girls stand up and pulp out, you know what I mean? That's right. Right? But me I drink the tea. So now me have to go like probably squeeze in the, you know what I mean? Because I ride on the sides a little bit flutter. You know? Yeah. So the 28 day team, I drop off the blood clot powder, but me I tell you say it look like it a give me one little hip situation, like it a round me. You understand? It a English pound me. You see me I say? Star Beauty truly. You see me I say? Yeah. Oh, sorry, T. Sorry. Watch this one. Yeah. Good day. What do we have in the catalog today? We are going to talk about coffee, we are going to talk about footer, and we are going to talk about chronixx. Everybody good evening, good morning, wherever you're there in the world, you know they don't love you. You don't love me more than me love you. You see me, I say, big up yourself, you too. All if you don't rate me, big up you too. You see me, I say, YouTube, you know, it's in come down already. Thanks to everybody who buy the star, them. Oh God, you know, make me feel so special. Me a superstar, buy some star, please. You see me, I say. Okay, thank you for the world of appreciation. I want to know the love and I feel for you. Yes, I will, you know, I'm party there. Make sure you not share the live and you know get everybody else involved in this situation that we're about to carry on with. You understand what I say? So I'm going to kick it off and big up my subscriber them on Facebook. You understand me? Please, you know, go subscribe to my Facebook and me make you laugh, dog. Your subscription not even dear for the Father. Go and go subscribe to me so I can feel good. Thanks by the star them. And them something me feel appreciated, you know. Because sometimes I talk to them, I tired, I worse. You see what I say? So, yeah, you know, make me feel appreciated because I appreciate all of you. You understand what I say? Chronixx, when I start with you. You say, oh, Chronixx? It's when you come out, nobody no rate you like how me rate you. Because you see the chat where you chat for the Father, me realize say, yo, that brother you have some bad tune. When it's, whatever this I'm not certain. What they want to do behind curtain. No one else, you see me, I say, well, you know, oh, you say, one buckler, the brother you have meds, you know. You can see it, say, him a one real rasta. One, you see me? He pure hearted and, you know, you sing for the people, Chronixx, me rate you. You understand me? I go beat you, you know, but Chronixx, me rate you. You see me? I say, rate your music, me rate, because as I did say about even popcorn, you know, Chronixx. No for we not sing about one life or we not opposite the blood clot person there, you know. You see me? I say? Because you, Chronixx, you always a sing about white people oppression, this, that, ray, blase. We not going to take it off a table like racism not still a go on. We not there Jamaica measure up against white people, but we there measure up against brown people. Because in a Jamaica, when they are brown, have Tommy Chin, then color, and you know, all of them look a high color woman, they are high color boy, they like a Sean Paul, them and so. We not treat them different from the black one, them who have to go bleach. You see me, I say? So racism, they everywhere, Chronixx. You understand me? And when you did bust, brother, me swear things say you didn't come and come know say yo, you're with us. But you prove to be just like them white people here just before you even come talk about big up souja. Before you say big up souja, you've been a sellout. Like you are a white man, you bumbuckled self chronixx. Me I tell you that. You chronixx look like say you're a white man. You more like to deal with what white man them a deal with. Even though you come out in your music at first and tell us say you rather to deal with all the black people and love and this and red. But as white people tell you if your blood clot jump, your king poopa lick and jump and sprawl out like we are play a blood clot dandy shandy. Regular we see you do it chronixx. Remember? And you alone as an artist have a jet down a yard there. Because you live just like the white man, the same white oppression where you talk about every day in your music. Tell Wall Street that I'm coming soon. Dreaming of you all afternoon because making money is always on my mind. Remember, you did a tell we of you in your music, but we did a pre the positivity. Because you as a black man, when you know say racism still a strong blood clot economic problem we have in a society, you can always jump up on a bandwagon for a white man. Me not give a fuck what you want to say about blood clot. Reggae music did make global. Them did make R&B global too. And then I give you the same blood clot privilege for you take you up on a blood clot sing and a win no nomination and an award. Then did make rap global too. And what? You think if none of we get up on blood clot rap right now, them a look on bumbo clot we? Them not see we. We can rap till we blood clot drop. It no matter what, no matter if them take for we sit them and turn them in a rap, they still now blood clot look for we. So you see, if reggae music global and white man fear get highlighted about the picky and chronixx. You say blood clot global because this is uno as a black bomber clot slave. Uno watch the white boy them can name out everything. Chuna get little food for name to all slave. You all slave. One time the things are not sudden they got Africa too. And go gallivant we don't know and then beat and take on a blood clot and slave you know. I see them so then they come and go like say all is well and put on in a blood clot shackles. Remember I saw them come and do it all the while chronixx. And that them do all the while and I help them. Me can't support no white boy you take over no black blood clot own anything. Black people own reggae. White people don't make it easy for nothing for we. Them boy you don't make it easy for fucking we. But on the easy for lie down and make them boy you feel special all the blood clot while when we never special yet chronixx. You ever want blood clot about special? You think them look for we as not special? And money them a make. Half of what we create, what black people create, because of years and trillions of centuries now, them white boy have been a do this. No, me not glad to see no white boy take up nothing what black people do and make it great. Me not feel no good about that youth. Because this year is a trend. Everything what black people have, you see white boy come over here like so them can make it better. So through them blood clot take it up. chronixx a rubbish shatter. One artists there in our business that sing clean music. Don't beat reggae, beat the selector and the radio station them. A whole heap of clean music there in a dancehall and reggae. Before even this year go on now chronixx. Don't go on like he's a fucking picky and idiot. Don't go on like an idiot. Whole heap of clean blood clot music. Whole heap of clean album we don't get highlighted because of our radio station and our disc jockey them. So don't come with that. But people appreciate good music. Dog, suck your mama with that. Whole heap of Jamaican that Jamaica I sing positivity and I drop good album. I wanna now highlight them dirty chronixx. You chronixx would have never say you out there as a man. Why you not go Collaborate with some of them man there as a giant in our business. Well, if I look at youth out there, Youngster, Nation Boss, Black Hero, all of them look at youth that sing positive music in a dance hall. All of them are sing positive music. Only part of youth are sing positive and clean music. But you're ready if you got blood clot jump up and down with white boy. Because you're white like them chronixx. You see me? As soon as you see white boy come near out any local thing, you help them near me out. I want to help make them slave with. Remember that. Remember, sir, black people help white people put black people in a slave. Just like how your blood clot help them now, chronixx. You never want to make you voice earth for some white boy. But you don't want to voice them earth for some youth like Black Era them. Man like them look at youth that want to make good music. You don't want to give them the your voice. But you're ready if you go give soda them some look a man what we don't know from nowhere. Through the white and blood clot locks. Chronixx is a disappointment to blood clot we as a black race. Fuck this Grammy thing now, youth. Because you ever help the white boy them to name out people culture and come be a vulture and take over and be the best at it. When indeed they are not. You know how much blood clot album in a dancehall sound better than the one we win Grammy? But what? You don't now go highlight them the youth, the pussy hole chronixx. Enough look at you out here sing positive music. You know highlight them bumble hole idiot boy. But you're ready to go highlight them white boy because you want to go cock up on stage with millions of white people. Like when you can't sing for black people too. Black people have money too. We have money to spend too. When we can full out arenas too. One amount of black people can buy ticket and go in a blood clot arenas, bad man. Who the lean for white people for every blood clotting chronixx. When you come out in the blood clot music and I tell we say, we as a black race for rise. Remember them burn down Black Wall Street. When we did have we own a bank, them we own a school, them we own a heavy blood clot thing. And then burn it down. You see them one sing about it, but you help them now to come burn down people culture. Help them to come thief out people culture. Me no blood clot for no white man I use no black created fucking entity. Doing nothing. Our one that what is yours is yours. When you love jump up and down with white boy too much. Like when a blood clot frighten for color. You see me? When you frighten for color chronixx. So you can fly up and down in your little private plane and go link your white boy them. You glad? As a little black man listen to you. Pussy will listen to you. You're one of them slaves who did help sell out the blood clot colony. And make we in a blood clot shackles. You make we pick cotton. And you make we chop cane. And you make a whole black woman and get fuck off and get brown picnic. You! Slave like you, pussy hole. You is a wicked blood clot rasta. Trim. Trim. You don't know where you stand for, pussy hole. You don't know what to stand for. Because if you are going to talk about congratulate them white boy, one band full of white boy because of reggae music. How much things them create and we can't use it freely? How much things them use? Wally! I will not get the privilege for blood clot use it, but you want to chat off your bumbo clot mouth. Eh? Well, it's free to use it. We created it and they're highlighting it. Enough things them create and we can't highlight it. But we make it free for them to highlight everything. And we're glad for them. You want all a collaboration right now, dirty chronixx, we can see that. You're disgrace. Before you go look at collab with Black Hero them, Youngster them, and Nation Boss them, you ready to go collaborate and chat up with them, the boy there. Eh? What a disgrace you be. As a dirty blood clot rasta. You're wicked. Pussy, you preach one thing in your music and then, oh, you're living a life different, youth. But you don't believe in a racism. Racism, they everywhere, youth, all in a clothes. You talk about music. Racism beat you every day, chronixx. How much time you lose the Grammy? And you're one of the biggest things that we have in our island. You lose the Grammy every time you get called for it. You perform a Grammy and you lose. And you're the biggest thing. You perform a Pakistan, Netherlands, every land, all blood clot Iceland. Your blood clot there. And what? Them don't give. But they use your door, have you as a little blood clot stage monkey for run up and down and sing your blood clot song them. Do, and you still not get no blood clot award. And you still not get none. And then you are going to talk about say, yo, we create reggae music for everybody. We never create it for everybody. We create it for ourselves. For we for use. And our own. Them white boy have enough things that we can't use. We need copyright for it. Remember that. You think so we never get blood clot nominated for your R&B album yet, rap album yet, none of that. You are the worst thing. Nobody contact. And you know footer. Before you talk about the real blood clot reason why you hate panda woman with you like a dead wood. Pussy hole. Every minute you whine at the blood clot media look relevant in a dirty girl. A dirty girl. Every minute you in your blood clot feelings in a big hole bitch. You ever in your blood clot feelings look a suckud girl. Ever want to measure up your mouth with girl pitney? Think cool. You need to lock up your blood clot cesspool where you have for your face. Nasty whole footer. Thinking whole footer, you need to lock up your blood clot mouth. With your dry cane foot them pussy hole. You know say you're rotten out from in beneath. In pussy hole, you're rotten out boy. The dent them when your blood clot foot look like a whole Nissan pussy hole. Go park in 2003 Nissan dent up blood clot foot them boy. And shut your thinking level blood clot mouth. You hear what me I tell you so good? Lock your mouth. Because you see you as a man, as a blood clot selector, you mean Jamaican a blood clot good. Every day you get up boy, you have blood clot beat. Pussy na yawa. Na DJ, you have vlogger. Lock your stinking mouth. How much page them a go delete for you so good? Eh? So good. How much page them a go blood clot take for you? Why you beef with Spice? Spice you so name sitting for you? Which white folks you name for your thinking mouth? All you dirty sour pussy blood clot footer. You can't know say you want little Batman for blood clot show. Every minute Sodomite and Batman in your mouth a fuck you out. Every minute Sodomite and Batman just a pop up in your blood clot mouth so. Because I don't know why your blood clot problem. Every minute, Spicy, yo, you see why you don't care? Hey, none of them can't win no Grammy, but who your blood clot bring to win Grammy? You think foot? Think foot. Who you ever bring Grammy? You have somebody. Alright, show me where your boss. Show me where your boss. Show me Grammy where them get. Lock up your thinking mouth. And you're one of the reasons why Jamaica can't get no blood clot Grammy. You hear that sour breath? Your mouth smell like your shoes. Go put some Carmel in your thinking blood clot shoes and lock your thinking mouth. Hey boy, every day you get up and level your thinking blood clot mouth boy. Eh? Big suckud anti-foot and me tell her this girl. Lock up your bumbo clot mouth. Come in and know if you barber shop now evict your blood clot. Every minute you have live in your car. You live not. Go find somewhere blood clot live. I make them creep off and sitting off your ankle. Drunk up. Every blood clot minute you want in a cussing. Jada Kingdom, the whole of them. You want lash? Come lash. Come lash. Come lash with me, drunker. Big hole, come lash with me. Cause you want big blood clot mama lash. You are not a selector. You coming like blood clot lava. As you go up on blood clot, might gonna start show what pan girl. Because who know in a different category. Battery dilly. Who know blood clot, battery dolly. Oh no, as you go up on mic, the first thing you do, show a word pan girl. You and think pussy lava. Every blood clot minute, no wonder you not blood clot friend. Cause you must rub pussy at night time. Every minute on the skin out and rub on one another crutches to blood clot together. You no soon catch a blood clot for you. Hurt me feel. Every blood clot minute me look on the internet you see you. Boy go take care of your sugar and go rise your blood clot hood when you get up in a 40 days and 40 blood clot night no bitch. If baby cocky did dead like off you, boy go find something do. Eh? Go find something do. And you better hope say the little boy where you get what they are not on Batman for you. Cause him very much go like one little girl. You so see one man a ride your son. Lock your pit, boy. Coming already for shit, boy. You that? Lock up your thinking cesspool. Lock up your sewage, boy. Lock it. Big hole. Lock your mouth, man. Every day you want blood clot cuss with girl. Yahoo. Who is you? You're Jamaica president. Pussy hole, you don't even want to go back down there. But every day you want to get up and talk about Jamaica. Jamaica. Dip and go back down a blood clot there then pussy hole. Because every day you fight in a Batman country. But you talk about Batty Awards. You talk about Batty March. Oh, Jamaica don't support Batty March. Whoa! Pussy hole got your yard. With your black rusty blood clot self. Black rusty boy. Got your yard, boy. Got your blood clot yard, man. Got your yard, man. What? Got your yard. Take your blood clot, got your yard, man. Move. Got your yard. Junk up. Got your yard, man. Move. Every day you chat. You try to bust fully, but that can't bust. Me see you next do that it's picky head rasta. All that can't bust. Every blood clot there me beat that before that come from blood clot earth. Nothing wrong you can't prosper. Just like how your cocky can't blood clot prosper. You know long you not get little pussy because you look a spaghetti in our blood clot rise. Your blood clot would come like me lighter. Now no blood clot tiff, it just steady. Just steady. Eh? Sour hole. You say you out dead and a man of you fuck you out. You don't know if you can tell we say man a fuck you out. And you suck out, man. We don't want to know. Your mouth look like 10 pounds of kidney. Man does have them mouth who da should in your kidney mouth. Who them balls a bunks up on your broad mouth. With your heel back mouth. Your mouth shaped like one latrine seat. Pussy hole. You have sitting against girl. Jada Kingdom, the whole of them, spicy whole of them. I wish cocky and them a suck together, dirty bitch. Wish blood clot cocky and them a take. Eh? In a your whole think like, you no girl can't take no blood clot, see a man sour hole. Think hole. You no blood clot girl can't take you see a man because your hole big like a precipice boy. Okay? Yeah. Coffee. Me say you footer. Every day you chug the coffee.
Yo, we don't know what coffee I need, we know. But you know the ancestors said. We don't deal with say.
Yeah, your ancestors they go suck out me and coffee. Lick out me and coffee. Near me and coffee shit. Right blood clot now. Because you see that now bread off mouth. Think mouth pot bread. You know what going now? Think mouth pot bread. Right now she sent 200,000 blood clot copy. And all of the little straight people about you always a talk about. Because I know coffee don't tell you for your sexuality. But every day you can talk about your little girl sexuality. Just show you one near about coffee little pussy. Leave coffee little pussy alone. Coffee don't want you. Big black blood clot King Kong of the jungle. Every day you get up and pick on a little picnic. Every day. This, coffee is cinnamon. Coffee is this. Coffee is that. Eh? Cause she never want to put you up on lockdown. Choose you never want you to yam out her pussy and lick out her body hole. True, you not get the dub plate. You get up every day, you trouble the little blood clot girl. Look on the cells, bitch. Dirty whoring girl. Footer, you thinking old. Go and go look on the sales, big hole. 200,000. None of your little straight friend them. None of your little people them when you big up every day for your little low budget page. Can't touch coffee. Coffee have jump over some barriers who want to wish to see. Some want to look artists, some want to praise. Who to wish to see them reach for blood clot coffee there. Which one of the artists them can do that? Some want to talk about who no go for rapper, who no go for chopper, who no go for blood clot that. And the can't see why this little girl have beat on with a blood clot whip so. Wow! I know no you do not get it. Whoa! You know your blood clot, you do not get it. Congratulations to Coffee. Coffee a jump over some barrier where she sit down and hear on a talk. And now our sales them a buffalo no. Somehow now sell 2,000 in a week. Somehow now sell 3,000 in a 1 week. Somehow now sell 3,900 in a 1 week. This said girl I sell 200,000. That's why good for not eat think mode footer. You see that? You see me sit down in your face. Broke your jawbone. He drunk, I saw me drop down in your big black mouth, you know. See that? My body will open. You know you love me and shit. Body will open for your footer. Ready for your name about my body hole. Look on her now. Flourish in front of your face. None of we don't know our sexuality. But every day you not throw pussy pan blood clot coffee. You not throw all kind of strap on pan coffee. I know this little girl you not come out in the blood clot media and say, you know what? Me like girls. We live in the blood clot age and nobody not afraid to tell you that. Me know enough tomboy gala yard. We dress like man and a be a man then fuck. Then just comfortable if you dress like that. Me see enough Rasta woman dress like Coffee. And me are telling us how you know the problem with blood clot it. But you know she said Coffee you go up the ladder. Humbly. I go up the blood clot ladder. The business is no blood clot body. I go up the ladder. Every day you was a little suck good man. Suck good bitch. A handy for all of us. Come. Yeah, but Coffee. You call her name so till the Coffee you burn your blood clot lebe mouth no. Your top lip drop off. Your top lip drop the fuck off a ground right there so we are poop on it. Poop in your blood clot mouth. Your mouth a get poop in it. Hey boy, you can't even congratulate that. You said I might have beat you. I saw you call her. I want to see Coffee come out with that belly. No Coffee, you carry it too young. No, you come out in the belly. You know you come out in the belly. You come out in the belly. So you carry it young. But what at least, because this year album is second Grammy. When you get it, you see 6 Grammy. When you get the 6 Grammy, then you can catch your belly. I want Coffee. You see Coffee a suck out tongue with him boyfriend soon. So you can blood clot shame pad mouth. You hear what me I tell you is infection breath? You is infection breath, you got blood clot man. What you see blood clot Coffee and a little boyfriend. Lockdown. She ain't gonna put him on lockdown. Why? What you on lockdown? I'm forgetting lockdown. If you love me, say you love. You hear that so good? I say you're gonna see a little boyfriend and walk about the place. So you see everybody now rub their relationship in your face. You start calling them sodomite and batman to blood clot Coffee now come out and go sell pussy like some of them. Selling pussy no sell album. Enough of them naked boy and the album flop. Drop a ground. Enough of them no one blood clot collab with blood clot Coffee. I watch there. Coffee have one collab on her album and she a beat on a bad with the hands of God. Pussy hole. With the hands of God she a beat on a blood clot bad. She a blood clot loan upon the album and a tear down the airways. And a tear down. She have Belgium, England. She's so rich back over America, you know. She tear down the whole of the blood clot Europe side. Suck your mother. All I know, whenever know said this did go happen. See there? And she never did have to sell no pussy. She never did have to take grab up your hood and push your hand in the ear from you never push your hood there round the rear. You walk y'all make you ball, you don't care because you never push your hood there round the rear. I don't know me no come out about it. I've girl in a bed and I try go around the catty, get the and you say you want party. Hey girl, boom! She never did have to need a kid. She never did have to fuck down nowhere. She never did have to suck down nowhere. She never did have to sell sexuality. You hear that? And she alone. Good day, everybody want body style them give thanks. You understand me? I just have to get it off my chest, me and sweat. You understand me? Big up everybody right there, so make sure you subscribe to me Facebook. Me telling you something, I'm worth it. I am worth it. Go and go subscribe to my fucking Facebook. Make me feel good as a human. You see what I say? And yo, big up my subscriber by YouTube and yeah, that's what I say. If you wanna chat sometime, you can inbox me and say hi. Yeah, that's I'm not gonna tell you reply same time cause yo, I'm a busy herb for that. You feel me? I did. Oh, that one was cool. Alright. Yo, that's it. Big up the same done. Hot we hot! You know what I drop this master? Yes man. Alright then.